Hello, this is Mr. Gallardo here in Chavez High School in a very cold morning. Okay, if you have been asked to watch this video, this improvised tutorial, that's because you've been given the great honor of proctoring the next AP Spanish language exam here in Chavez High School. Well, guys, this is the iPod of my time, and I feel so old by saying it because some of you may not even know what this is, and the ones that know what it is may not know how this works. So that's why I did this video, to make sure that everybody knows how to use it. Our students are perfectly capable of doing so, of working with these machines, but we need to make sure that you are trained too, in case one of the kids forgets, or because because of exam anxiety are not 100% that day. So let's make sure that we can keep our present great success in Spanish, and let's not risk that by risking having some technical issues. Here it goes. So, believe it or not, some kids have problems opening the tape itself. Okay, I can do it with one hand, no big deal. All right, I mean right now I'm holding the phone with one hand, so I'm doing everything with one hand. And every tape has two sides, A side and B side. So we're gonna be looking at A side. Next thing, let's leave this here for a moment. We need to open the tape recorder. So we're gonna press stop, eject, and it opens beautifully. Now we get the tape, and we insert this like diagonally. Okay, some kids try to put it down here, and then the machine break. So let's put it like in the door, like that. Okay, when it's perfectly like that, we just push it down. Now, how do we record? First of all, let's press this pause button. It's gonna stay down. And then, here's the hardest part. We need to record these two at the same time. When you try to press both at the same time, to some people, only this one goes down. So the best, I guess the best way to do it is to just push record, only this one, and then both should go down. Now, when you do that, you may push it and you see the machine goes that way. So you need to use your other hand, and I cannot do it right now because I'm holding the phone, holding this, so that doesn't happen. Just push it down like this. All right, so now you have 3 buttons down. This thing is ready to record. It's not moving because it's not recording yet. When the time comes for the student to start recording his or her own voice, what you need to do, or what they need to do, is to release the pause button. Okay, and now you see it is moving. So right now it's recording. Be advised that they shouldn't record anything for the first about 5 seconds. And then after that, like right now, this machine is recording everything I say. There are 2 parts on the that imply recording their voices. One in which they hold a conversation with a recording, and another one where they're supposed to develop a topic. It's like making it's like an oral essay. Okay, so now this has been recording for a while. When they're done, they need to click stop. Let's say that we finished activity 1, and now we're going to start activity 2. So once again, first pause, and then these 2 at the same time. By pressing record, both should go down. Okay, ready to record. Let's say activity 2 starts now. Release. And now we're recording one more time. Okay, so let's say that our second activity and last one finishes. So now we stop everything. Okay, now if the students want to hear themselves, I don't know if there will be time or not on the test, but if they do, they should rewind the tape. Going back. All right, and then they can play the tape just simply by pressing play, without pressing record, only play. All right, the volume is on the side. If you want to hear it loud, you just go down. That they shouldn't record anything for the first about 5 seconds. And then after that, like that is my voice. This machine is recording everything I say. There are 2 parts on the test that imply beautiful voice. I don't have an accent, right? Now rewind that. Okay. Now to take it out, you press stop, eject again. Okay, just simply take it out. Make this close. Back in here. Students may be asked to label the tapes. I'm not sure how that is going to work. I think I hope the instructions will be clear. Maybe like a sticker with the name and ID should go probably here, but make sure that that's how College Board instructs us to do so. Close the tape, and we're done.